Hello, I hope you are happy. I hope you will stay with us until the end of the video. The peacock has attracted the attention of mankind since thousands of years ago because of its amazing tail. The male peacock's tail is usually a combination of blue and green colors and is arranged in a train that makes up 60% of the bird's length. It is also called the thousand-eyed peacock, which is actually the same brown and golden pattern. When the peacock, the male umbels are seen like many open eyes and create a wonderful beauty. Types of peacocks. The color combination of the body and tail in the male animal is much more diverse and attractive than the female animal. The body of the female peacock is brown and gray, and usually it is green under the neck, because the chicks that sit on the eggs can be safe from predators in nature. Peacock. It is divided into two types, Indian and Javanese. The Indian type of peacock is from India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Peacocks usually live easily together and won't have any problems with each other. That's why they are called very social. But at the time of mating, there is a possibility of conflict between the males in the competition to obtain the female. Peacock mating. The main reason of peacock feathering is to attract the attention of the female bird. In this way, the female chooses her mate based on the size, color, and quality of the tail, and after the end of the mating season, this tail begins to shed, and the real tail, which has small and gray feathers, it remains until new and beautiful feathers appear again in the next season. An interesting point about peacocks is that unlike other birds that are monogamous, peacocks are polygamous. The female peacock mates from spring to summer and lays 3 to 5 eggs. And the eggs hatch after 28 days. After birth, the chicks are yellow and brown and look very similar to turkey chicks. The first step is teaching to eat. The female peacock must teach her chicks to learn to chew insects, seeds and leaves. The chick places its beak next to the mother's beak, and the mother, after finding the right food, points to it and makes a special sound. Under the name of grok sound, it creates and holds the food until its chick eats it. The second step is to learn to fly. The next morning, the female peacock comes to the nest, and of course, usually some chicks are lost in this process. The feeding habits of the peacock. What is the food of the peacock? These birds are omnivores and they are called ground feeders, which means they feed on vegetables, grass, flowers, insects, small snakes, and lizards on the ground. Peacock habitat. Peacocks, commonly known as the Indian species, often live in and around India. Peacocks have usually found their way to the temperate regions of other countries, but not to the extent of India. In other countries, this bird is usually seen in India. These birds often live in forests and river banks as well as agricultural areas. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to our page to be informed about our latest videos. Have a good time.